guys, let's welcome 2021 and may this year be the bestest year of our life. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. It's me, Shabina. And guys, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to dress better. Yes, I mean how to create an outfit like a pro. We all have wardrobe filled with basic pieces, so we can make them a cool outfit just by mixing and matching them. So in today's video, I'm going to do 4-5 outfits, because if I will do more, it will be a long video. And in case if this video does good, I will come up with a more episode of it. So yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So alright guys, I'm starting with outfit number 1, which is an all black outfit, and I feel like you can never go wrong with a black color outfit, especially when you're trying to keep it simple and stylish. So yes, let's see how it looks. And guys, like I said, you can never go wrong with black color outfit. You can wear in daytime, you can wear at night, you can go for lunch, you can go for dinner, you can hang out with friends, you can go for meetings. I mean, it is always in. You will look 100 bucks. And as you can see, I'm wearing white neck piece with white wristwatch, and of course I'm carrying my favorite Louis Vuitton sling bag. And never think twice when it comes to layering. I'm layering it with military color jacket, and it's looking so good with my black favorite boot. And this combination has been my go-to look lately, which is a mini skirt with a baggy t-shirt. I mean, it's such a foolproof combination. Firstly, I'm tucking my t-shirt in all the way around to add some shape, and then rushing it out so it looks a bit more relaxed and it gives a proper shape to your body. And I'm pairing my bracelet with the wristwatch in the same hand. And this is my go-to when I feel I have nothing to wear. And as usual, I am wearing my favorite Michael Kors sling bag. Yes, I am a sling bag person. And of course, I don't have to mention the black boot, right? Corset with t-shirt. I mean, who doesn't have corset top? But we hardly wear it, right? I am layering it with a black t-shirt for some extra coverage. I think corsets are a great way to add a pop of color and texture to an otherwise pretty plain outfit. And as you guys know, I love styling. Here I am styling my outfit with black tote bag. And of course, any kind of shoes will work with it. And don't forget to make your look complete. So girls, put on your earrings, your watches, your belts, and you got a look. And there you go, kill it with your look. Brighten your summer wardrobe with these essentials in vivid colors. You must get your hands on it. I mean, this kind of dresses, it accentuates your beauty in a very sexy way. It's prerequisite, it's mandatory. Every girl should have in her closet. I'm sure most of you already have it in your wardrobe. If you don't have, go to any market, any mall, any shop, you will get it. Trust me girl, this dress is very fascinating. And don't forget to add some jewelry. I have added hoops with it. And now moving on last outfit, I am wearing a white palazzo with a straggly top. Now as you can see, I am tucking the top in to give a slimming effect to an illusion of height. Now to bring everything together, I'm wearing white wristwatch, a white hoops, and of course a white footwear. And you started looking graceful and feminine. And I think it's everything I want it in every go-to look. Because it's very important for me to spruce myself up before I step out of my house. Alright guys, that brings to the end of my video, and this is my first video of 2021, and I hope you like this video. And if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and do share with your friends, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all, bye bye.